Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Tesla cars are built, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The integration of autonomous forklifts and skilled personnel ensures a seamless flow of materials. From aluminum, coils are precisely cut by laser, then the cells are rapidly inspected and sorted, ensuring peak efficiency across the production line.
Here we see the fully automated preparation line, designed for maximum precision and output.
Utilizing immense force, the structure is formed for maximum efficiency. At the same time, specialized battery
Monitor the chemistry levels closely. We are seeing a slight fluctuation in the structural harmonics.
acknowledged. Rerouting the power sequence now.
Through a sophisticated network of conveyors and pipelines, we ensure a seamless flow of components towards final integration.
At the heart of the Gigafactory, these synchronized robots utilize precise, resistance spot welding to join the vehicle structure.
Every Tesla is assembled with precision, ensuring safety and performance.
The assembly process begins with the flawless application of our multi-layer paint.
Here we see the seamless integration of interior components, where high-speed robotics ensure both precision and unparalleled build quality.
The integration of the forward lighting system requires absolute precision, ensured by our robotic assembly sequence.
Our state-of-the-art facility combines diverse talent with advanced robotics to deliver the next generation of electric vehicles. Every Tesla undergoes strict quality testing before hitting the road.
From the heart of the Gigafactory, these vehicles are now beginning their journey to distribution hubs worldwide.
As the sun sets on a new era, the Gigafactory stands as a beacon of sustainable production.
And that's how Tesla cars are built, for him, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.